How to create account in Grab app. Ready to book rides or order food with Grab? Let's get you signed up in just few taps. First, open the Grab app on your phone. Now on the home screen, tap sign up. You'll be asked to enter your mobile number. Make sure it's active because you'll get a verification code via SMS. Enter the 6-digit code you receive. Then fill in your basic details like name, email, and optionally set a profile picture. Once done, agree to the terms and privacy policy. Then tap create account. You are now officially part of the Grab family. Didn't get a code? Check if you typed your number right or try tapping resend. What will you use Grab for first? Rides, food, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.